Hello, in this video, I would like to discuss the double-edged sword nature of internet communication. Now, when people think of the internet, they probably think of how easy it is to use, how easy it is to express their thoughts and opinions to other people through email or just simple Facebook posts. Now, this in itself is great. You would think that the more people that can more easily communicate with one another, the better and more successful that venture will be. However, recent times have shown that easily communicating with mass numbers of people also has a downside. Internet communication, in its more negative outcomes, follows the general economic principle that when you have a high quantity of something, the quality generally goes down. So when you cheapen the quote unquote cost of internet communication, you thusly cheapen the information that is distributed. It is much too easy for anyone to express what I would call a half baked idea, or even worse, a nefarious or intentionally misleading idea to many other people who then take that information as gospel, who then lack the analytical skills to question the validity of that information. This has been used by many politicians in recent years to alarmingly large degrees of success. The only way that knowledge can be restored to its, I would say, ultimate, its highest regard, is if we take the responsibility of communicating through the internet seriously. We should understand that the internet is a great record keeper. People will be able to look at your content for years to come. So it is best to look at the information you are distributing to other people in kind of a steward way. Now, the term environmental steward refers to leaving the environment in its most pristine form so that it can be enjoyed for generations to come. We should apply the same level of care to the knowledge and information that is portrayed on the internet. Doing so will increase the value of that information and just lead to a more informed global society. Because keep in mind, the internet is a global forum. We do not want generations to come to view the content on the internet as just a cheap artifact of human nature. A better approach is to make sure that the generations to come view the information on the internet as more a pristine, accurate reflection of what the best of society has to offer.